Hey y'all, bringing you my DeWALT 620. This is their little 12-inch saw. I got a full battery, it's a 9 amp hour. You don't need the flex volt, just it's 20 volt. And we're gonna test it against the 12-inch Cobalt here. It's got 3 bars. There's the model number right there, that KCS, oh man, 124024B03. That's a mouthful. They both have oil, right there.
Go.
All right, here we go. Says timer. Elijah, hold on. Like 18, I think is what it was.
I should say 8.
And it's about like a 6-7 inch piece there we're cutting. All right, now for the Cobalt. About 20 seconds there. That really surprised me because the Cobalt is normally faster. We might try that one more time here. Let's go with this one. Let's try it again. About 19 there. Well, you know what? Maybe it's the batteries I was using in this, because I was using 5s and they seemed a lot lack, especially when this is only a 4 on here. So I bet you a 9 amp would cause this to beat the DeWALT. I just don't have any the charged 4 amp hour right now. But yeah, let me think in the comments which one do you like better, and as always, stay safe and go busk. Actually, let's see you then.